One of the cool things about Jenny Ray's impact is that she's not only had an impact on me individually and you individually, but that she has done such an incredible job at creating community.
Yeah,
And a tribe.
A longing I think we all have is to belong and to have connection with like-minded people who are striving for more, who want what you want. And when you get connected with those people from all over the country, it's powerful, and it's an answer to prayer, really.
It is, yeah. I have found some of the truest friends that are willing to give feedback and stand for what I say that I want, and other friends that want feedback and want me to be there to stand for them and what they say that they want. And we've found that in community through Jenny Ray.
With both truth and grace. So it's to stand with you, stand alongside you with truth and grace, and run the race with you.
Yeah.